All right, friends, I'm here. It is 12:30 in the afternoon. It's the continuation of this fishing day. I got 5 perch today, and I am here attempting to get some bass. These fish a break. Now I got to come back and get at them again. Should get one right here. No. Jeez. That guy already catching. Dude, there is a bass still stuck on that tree. Nothing right there, jeez. Oh, fish on. Nice one, guys. Nice one. Check her out. Ooh, one came up right there. It came up right next to where I dropped it. I'm gonna move over there and fish across that way. There's a bass over there, I know it. Oh, right there, that's perfect. Yes, that was perfect, but nothing. I'm gonna go in the middle of those a little bit. This should be strong enough to where I can pull it out if it gets caught. Nope, that's not where I wanted it. That'd be sick if something slammed it though. All right, I'm gonna go on the left of those lily pads and in the middle of that tree, but I'm gonna try and go behind that branch a little bit. No, too much. I gotta stop it. I wasn't sure where that was going. Let it sit there for a second. Got one, baby. Got a good one. Nice. Oh, fighting good. Nice. Oh, this is a heavy one, guys. Look at that. You can't beat that. That's a beauty. Look at that, guys. Oh. Some pretty stuff right there, guys. We're gonna release this bad boy. All right, let's move around. Oh, another one on, guys. Yeah. Woo, it's a good one too. Look at that. All right, number 3. Take it easy, buddy. Look at that, folks. See, guys, when you find structure like this, don't just fish, you know, like over there, just cast a few times around there, give up and go somewhere else. Fish it all the way around. If the landscape allows you, fish it all the way around with the lure coming different directions. And you don't think there's fish there, they'll come out sooner or later. And try to get, you know, as much of the area as you can. If you casted it there a few times, cast it there and do it different, you know, do it slower or do it quicker, or pause and go, pause and go. You know, sometimes that stuff entices them to hit. Just those little things.